Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to fix the app is damaged. So, do you have an app that is saying the app is damaged on MacBook, for example? You can see that this app here is saying is damaged. So, quick fix. For you to do that, go to your utilities and bring up terminal. Then, when you bring up terminal, type this code sudo x attribute cr and spacebar. Then go ahead and drag in the app, press enter and input your system password and press enter. Then go ahead and start the app now. You can see that it is fixed. So thank you for watching.